Namaste. As parents, we all dream of giving our children an education that shapes them into kind, confident, and capable individuals. One that prepares them for the future. But somewhere along the way, education lost its essence. Instead of fostering curiosity, self-discovery, and wisdom, it became all about marks, pressure, and competition. What if the answers to the future lies in our past? Our ancient Gurukul system nurtured thinkers, leaders, and lifelong learners, focusing on curiosity, character, and wisdom rather than rote memorization. Interestingly, these same principles form the foundation of IB education today. Meaningful learning, real-world application, inquiry, and holistic growth. What we now call progressive, future-ready education was already deeply embedded in our heritage. Centuries ago, Indian education was rooted in timeless wisdom, nurturing critical thinking, innovation, and lifelong learning. It is time we take pride in the wisdom of our ancestors. Our ancestors saw education as a journey, one of mentorship, self-discovery, exploration, and a deep understanding of the world. But over time, it was reduced to a system of standardization, a one-size-fits-all approach. Focused on memorization, colonization made learning lose its essence. Education was no longer about inquiry and discovery. Schools turned into factories, producing workers, not thinkers. The British wanted clerks, individuals trained to follow instruction, not to lead or innovate. But the world is changing. In a rapidly evolving world where AI and automation reshape industries, the future belongs to problem solvers, creators, and visionaries. The World Economic Forum report highlights the most valuable future skills: adaptability, critical thinking, collaboration, and innovation. Are we preparing our children for this reality, or are we still stuck in the past? At Arts Universal School, we bring back that essence, combining India's rich educational heritage with the globally recognized IB framework. Because true learning isn't about memorizing answers. It's about asking the right questions. At ART, we don't just follow a curriculum. We revive philosophy. We reclaim the essence of education. An IB school deeply rooted in Gurukul traditions. Here, learning is personal, mentorship is meaningful, and values shape character. Here, knowledge isn't just memorized. It's explored, questioned, and applied. We strongly believe that learning should prepare children not just for exams, but for life. Every parent dreams of their child's success. But true success isn't just about running ahead. It's about knowing where you stand. It's about staying grounded and staying true to who you are. At ART, we don't just teach subjects. We instill values. We nurture children who take pride in their heritage and step into the world with confidence. They learn to think, to question, and to create, and to lead. Because real education doesn't force children to choose between their roots and wings. It gives them both. Arts Universal School, rooted in tradition, ready for the future.